Hey lovelies, welcome to Blenny Creative. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. If you have been watching my videos and you have not clicked on the subscribe button, please do. And click on the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be notified and you'll be the first to watch. I would love to hear your comments. I would love to hear what you have about my video, and also give this video a thumbs up and share the link also. So let's go to the tutorial straight. All right, so draft your basic sleeve as I've done here with my paper that I'm going to use for the illustration. All right, so after drafting your basic sleeve, unfold fabric folded into two. You're just gonna open it like I did mine. So you're going to mark at the middle part of the sleeve, the mid part of the sleeve, so that will act as our guideline to drafting the sleeve. So mark the midpoint of your sleeve. So from that point, from the last line, which is the length of your sleeve, you're going to go down by 10 inches. You're going to go down by 10 inches. So you go ahead and mark your 10 inches. Then from the upper part, you're going to draft it down, draw it straight down to meet the 10 inches. It all depends on you anyway. You can follow the curve, the original curve you've already drafted at. So it depends on you. But for mine, I'm going to take it up from the top of the sleeve down to the 10 inches. So that will be for that part. So at this other end, you're just going to curve it. You're just going to curve it with 1.5 inch. You're going to curve it with 1.5 inch. Then you're going to curve it that way. Then you're going to drag it down to meet the 10 inches that we've already drafted out. So you're going to curve it to meet that 10 inches. You can use your free hand, you can use your tools. It all depends on you. So we shape it, you follow how I'm shaping mine so you can shape yours. Make sure this place is really curvy like mine. So I just want to draw the line straight so that it won't be having irregular shape. So I've done that. So we'll go ahead and mark the puff, the top of the sleeve, because I want the sleeve to puff and the one on the peaks is puffy at the up. So we're going to add extra 5 inch. That's the 5 inch I marked at the top. So we're just going to slope it up to meet the 5 inches. So you go ahead and do yours also. So the next thing, we're basically through with the drafting of the sleeve. You can see how easy it is. So we're just going to go ahead and cut it. Like I told you previously, you can follow the shape of your sleeve if you don't want to extend it the way I extended mine at the corner. So you can follow that slant shape down and then you measure your 10 inches down. It depends on you. So we'll go ahead and cut our sleeve.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame.
So we can see that the shape of our sleeve is already out. So folded into two, you can see that our sleeve is already out. Sleeve is very beautiful, and don't put on boring sleeve, please. And just try this, and I want to see the end product of your sleeve. So you go ahead and sew the end of that, the corner of the sleeve, and then you can go ahead and pleat the excesses that we added at the up, which is the puff. You can place this pleat it at the top of your edge of your shoulder. So that will be basically all for the drafting of the sleeve. I'll be dropping a tutorial soon. Please subscribe to my channel. For my old subscribers, I love you. Thanks for sticking by. Thanks for watching. Bye.
It's all